welcome. And how we doing out there? Leon Steve, of course, back in New York, shooting this video live and direct from the city. Just wanted to take the time to go over a few of the updates that are absolutely astounding, absolutely amazing. We're actually seeing the software work right before our eyes, 10 times better than anything we've ever seen before or been a part of. I'm literally up over 10% within the last 8 hours on $1,000 account. Okay, so that's just incredible. Now, before I get into any details, I want you to know that this is a demo account, okay? Management and compliance wants everybody to run their account on a demo. They want this to be an emotion-free trading experience, even though everyone is using the software right now. All the leaders are winning, okay? There isn't anyone negative or even in any massive drawdown, okay? I think the most drawdown we've ever seen is about 3%. Okay, so for those of you who are wondering, what that looks like, just understand that that's minimal, okay? We've seen with other things in the past a lot more drawdown than just 3%. Okay, so for the first 10 days that the software is going to be available to you guys who want to use a demo account, management will be able to see or detect if you're using a demo or a live. Please don't get yourself terminated and being greedy and hasty and jumping into a live account just to make profit. Use a demo account first, follow the rules, because compliance is going to be so much more strict this time around than it's ever been. Okay, so for the first 10 days, you want a demo. The other thing I want to touch on is you want to have a disclaimer on every profitable picture that you post, and it can only be posted in a private setting. And you can send them in messages. You can send them, okay, in our New World Open chat. You cannot post them on your Facebook wall. Okay, you cannot post it in a public forum because, again, we are not enticing people to join, okay, from the money that we're actually making. That's not legal, okay? People were doing that in the past, and now just understand the compliance this time around is so much more strict than it's ever been. You don't want to get terminated for posting it for $50 because then you won't have access to the software. So guys, please understand that this is a strict compliance measure we're taking this time around. Cannot post pictures of profit on your Facebook wall or in a public forum. You must do it privately in a private group. You can send it in a message. There's creative ways that you can use. But even if you are sending that in a private message, you have to have a disclaimer there that past profits are not indicative of future profits. Any money that you have in an account that you are trading, you must be willing to lose. And that sends out the right signal to people. It's not enticing people to do something just because they see you making money. Okay? So I want to talk to you guys about the software right now, okay? We mentioned that there is a software that will be giving out signals, okay? We'll be telling you, okay, when to get in the market, when to get out of the market, and exactly what pair to take. What does that mean? Okay? It's going to tell you which pair to select to trade. It's going to tell you, okay, the trade price that you want to enter the market, whether it's a sell or a buy. It's also going to tell you to take profit and the stop loss. So it's providing all the information you need to make the trade happen. Okay, you choose your lot size based on the money you have in your account. You want to make sure that you're using risk management when you do that. You don't want to, of course, risk a significant amount on a trade signal because, hey, if you experience drawdown, you could draw your account. So understand that the software that sends out trade alerts that we did speak about, I just explained how it's going to work. However, that's not going to be available right away. We did think that it was. The software that is going to be available right away, which probably most of you are more excited about anyways, is the Ring of Fire, okay? The trade ringer, okay? The currency ring trading software, okay, that you're going to be able to, of course, put together currency rings, and the software will trade that for you. This is the software we're experiencing trade right now. It's actually trading at a phenomenal rate. I've only experienced one losing trade, and I'm going to post that picture below. You're actually going to see it at the end of this video of how amazing and phenomenal this software is working right now. The other things that the software is doing is not only is it trading great, okay, not only is it trading with little to no drawdown, okay, that means it's not really going negative, it's just basically going into positive right when we trade, right when it takes a trade, it's actually materializing into profit pretty quickly, okay? It's not going extremely negative, you want to way back to the positive, and some trades are closing out positive, some are negative. This is actually the most accurate piece of software that I've ever seen in my life, and it's going to So not only does it have a trailing stop loss that actually moves as the pair moves, okay, to minimize the possibility of closing negative, but it also has a profit stop. So this means as soon as your trade goes more than 2 pips into profit, it's actually going to move the stop loss into profit behind the trade. So if the trade does come back against the direction that you want it to go, it's still going to close you out in profit. I've never seen anything like this before, team. So understand what we have in front of us, and also understand that we actually do have another 4 days to actually bring people into this phenomenal opportunity with no money down. They can actually try the software beginning on the 22nd of this month for 30 days. So you can try from the 22nd of this month to the 21st of next month, okay, without putting any money down. All they have to do is register the link that you guys provide. Understand the business is not free, okay, but the software will have a 30-day trial. If you would like to be placed, okay, in the structure, maybe you're someone that's recruiting 30, 20 people, understand that if you do not upgrade your account, okay, you're not going to benefit from the volume that those customers bring to the business, because they have the ability to upgrade just the way you do. Just because you brought them in the business does not mean that they cannot be placed before you're placed if you decide that you're not going to upgrade. Whether you upgrade or not, you're still going to have access to the software for the 30 days starting April 22nd, which is Monday. But if you do not upgrade, then understand that you don't have a business until you're placed. All that 30-day trial was a free software trial. It's not a free business trial. For those of you that are interested in a business, building a business, basically operating a team where you can actually earn a residual income and upfront bonuses on the results of your team, on the size of your team, the action of your team, the growth of your team, then you will need to upgrade immediately so that you can be placed into the structure. And anyone that you introduce this business to who wishes to do the same thing and not miss out on or possibly lose out on the volume that's already been generated from their efforts of sharing, then they need to upgrade as well. All right, team? So this was just a quick update video. I wanted to make sure I touched on a few things. Please take the time to watch this video in its entirety. And team, we are getting started. Launch time is here. Thank you guys for, of course, joining the pre-launch and understand that the real launch is underway. Take care, guys. I'll see you all at the top.
I just wanted to share that with you and let you know what's going on. So it's becoming bigger and bigger. As he said, the Forex robot is rolling 10% in 8 hours. 2 pips. It goes 2 pips. That's like 2 points in the stock market. The trailing stop comes into place. So make sure you end in profit. Incredible. Only 1 loss. I think he probably had about 20 or 30 trades. 1 minor loss. Incredible for a first day of trading. Again, he's working with a demo account, but that mirrors a real account. So again, when you get it, I'm going to give out also the link to the broker that I want everybody to sign up with today. But this is just incredible news. So again, we got to follow what they're saying, the protocol of the business, especially for the business builders. And I won't be sharing this information in the public. This just goes into the back office, into the wealth portal. So sign up, get ready. Peace and prosperity.